Ever wondered who the real heavyweights of the wild are? Spoiler, they're awesome. First up, the dung beetle. This tiny titan can push over 1,000 times its own weight. Talk about small but mighty. Next, the African elephant. With trunks that can lift nearly 800 pounds, they're the true giants of the savannah. And don't forget the mighty leafcutter ant. These little champs can carry 50 times their body weight. Nature is full of incredible strength. Like and subscribe for more wild wonders. Thanks for watching.